Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. This is week 2 assignment of the course Python for Data Science. Guys, for the past 6+ years we are providing solutions for various courses including Python for Data Science as well. Our channel is Kumar Reddy with almost 14k subscribers and more than 1k plus videos uploaded. With that experience we are providing solutions. If you are new to our channel, definitely click the subscribe button and bell icon for more updates, and definitely subscribe our channel guys, don't forget that, and do like the video. It will help our channel videos reach more number of students so that they will also get benefited. So definitely like the video guys. So first question, which of the following object does not support indexing? So for first question, fourth option, set is the probable solution, because set is just a collection of values, so there is no particular first, second, third values in that, so we can't uh, maintain the order in the set, so there is no concept of indexing. Next, second question. For second question, third option 456 is the probable solution. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section. You can also suggest your own solutions as well. Third question. For third question also it is third option 1 2 3 4, that is the output. Fourth one, for fourth question also it is third option guys, so mark third option. Next, fifth question, which of the following code gives output my friend's house is in Chennai? So for fifth question there are two probable options, the first option and the last one. Sixth one, let t1 equals this tuple t2, and which of the following will not give any error after the execution? So for sixth question, the probable solution is, there are four probable solutions actually. I will start from the last option, option E, next D, B, and C. So B, C, D, E. I mean the second, third, fourth, and fifth options, except the first option. Next, seventh question, which among the following will not give the error after execution? So for seventh question, three probable solutions, option A, option D, and option C guys. A, the first, third, and fourth options. So guys, before moving into the eighth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs for the course Python for Data Science. With more than 6 years of NPTEL experience, we are providing this. So these are past assignment MCQs. Here you are going to get a huge number of 295 plus MCQs guys. 295 plus MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So if you take this pack along with your friends or classmates, you can get it for the combined price of 500 only. So please ask your friends and classmates to join you as a group of 2 to 5 persons if they are doing the same course along with you. You can get it for 500 only. So each one in the group will get 295 plus MCQs individually, plus the combined price you have to pay is just 500. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and do let them know about this pack. If you are confirmed to make the purchase, mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. This is our email ID guys. Mail me to this email ID if you are confirmed to make the purchase. Already many students and even professors have also taken our various subject packs. So such option is also available. You can pause from the question where you have stopped by using a special keyword of that particular question. You can restart easily. Easy to revise MCQs, and most importantly, the validity will be there till the exam results publishing day. As it is a restricted link, Google Drive PDF link, the 295 MCQs will be valid till the exam results publishing day. So no need to worry about the validity as well. Take it now itself and prepare from now onwards so that you can get more time to revise at the end of the course. So till the exam results publishing day, not even the exam day, the exam results publishing day. So you'll continue to have the access for that. So 295 plus MCQs available guys. For one person 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. Guys, these MCQs include dataset based questions as well, and datasets will also be provided as in the past assignment MCQs questions itself. So 295 plus MCQs. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. So take it now itself. Mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. I'll give the same email ID in the description box also. Within 5 minutes after payment, you'll get the PDF access. Don't worry about that. Already many students, hundreds and thousands of students got benefited through our channel, and many students and even professors have also taken our PDFs. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solution. So please share this news within your WhatsApp groups to your friends and classmates and form a group of 2 to 5 persons if possible. If you are one person, no need to worry, you can get it for 300 rupees only. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. For eighth question, third option, tuple is the probable solution. Tuple is immutable. Next, ninth question. For ninth question, second and third options are the probable solutions. And final question of the assignment, that is 10th one, first option. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 2 assignment of the course Python for data science. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, like this video, and don't forget to purchase this huge number of 295 plus MCQs, guys. So keep supporting us like this forever, guys. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.